Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add money to Polymarket using a PC. Let's get started. First, you need a crypto wallet. The most popular one is MetaMask. Go to the MetaMask website and create a wallet. Make sure to save your recovery phrase somewhere safe. This wallet is where your money will live. Next, you need to buy crypto. Polymarket uses USDC, which is a digital dollar. To buy USDC, go to an exchange like Coinbase, create an account and add your bank card or bank account and buy USDC. Now comes a very important step. Polymarket runs on the Polygon network. So inside Coinbase, when you send USDC, make sure you select Polygon, not Ethereum. Then paste your MetaMask wallet address and send the USDC. Once the transfer is complete, open the Polymarket website on PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on deposit at the top of your screen. Now confirm the transaction in MetaMask. This moves your USDC into Polymarket. And that's it. Your money is now on Polymarket and you can start trading and prediction markets right away. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.